Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you the basic features of the MT4, that's MetaTrader 4. And if you have downloaded your MetaTrader 4, here it is. Here it is. Okay, so this is MetaTrader 4. Now, we are going to talk about the menu at the down and the menu at the top. We have two different menus, one at the top, one at the down. So we'll talk about the menu at the down and then the menu at the top. Let's begin with the menu at the down. Currently, the menu at the down, the first one is on quotes. The quote section is actually representing all the currency pairs you would like to trade. So currently you are seeing AUD NZD, AUD CAD, AUD Chef, AUD JPY, AUD USD and the rest continuously. So these are the currency pairs you want to trade. Now, on this same quote, when you look at the top menu, you see a plus at the right top corner and then a pencil or a pen symbol at the left top corner. So currently we're going to look at those two symbols and what it does. Okay, now these currency pairs that you have here, when you download your MetaTrader 4 at the beginning, you will see that the currency pairs that will be available will only be about 7 or 8. You will not have them as many as you see them here. You only have them being about 7 or 8. So you will have to go and add up other currency pairs you want to trade. And then also you can choose to take out from this quote any currency pair you don't wish to trade it. All right, or you don't want to trade. So let's begin. Now I have brought almost all the currency pairs here. So let's take out any currency pair we don't want to trade from here. Now, to remove a currency pair from this quote, what you have to do is at the left top corner, the pencil or pen symbol, you click on it. And then when you click on it, this is what will happen or what will come. And below each currency pair, you see a circle. When you click on the circle, it will tick. It will tick. It will tick or mark. Now, when you mark them, it means you are ready to take action on them. So at the top right corner, you will see a dustbin or a bin. When you click on the bin, it means you have deleted those currency pairs. Now, those currency pairs have been deleted from the quotes. Now, deleting the currency pairs from the quotes doesn't mean that you have deleted them from the MT4. Not at all. So get that in mind. Once you finish deleting them from the quotes, you click on the pencil or the pen symbol again, it will take you back to where the quotes are. Now, those currency pairs we deleted or we took them out of the quote. Let's say we want to bring them back to the quotes. Okay, so to bring them back here, you will now go to the plus at the right top hand corner. So you click on the plus and then it will take you here. Now, over here you are seeing only Forex. But when you are dealing with a live trading account, yours will be different. But this is just a demo trading account which I'm using as tutorials. Okay, so with the demo account, you only have Forex. But if it is a live account, you have other pairs that you can trade. And some of those pairs will be cryptocurrency. You have metals, and with the metals you have gold, silver, and the rest. And then you have natural gas. A lot of options will be there. Depending on which broker you use. Each broker and their currency pairs or the kind of pairs they have for their client to use or to trade with. So it will depend on your broker. But for now, because this is just a demo account, we have only Forex. So when we click on the Forex folder, these are the currency pairs we took out of the quotes. So they are back here. So if you want to add them, you see at the back of each of the quotes or the currency pair, you see a plus with a green circle. So when you click at that portion, the green circle, you click on them, you see them disappearing. When they disappear, it means they are adding up back to the quotes. They are adding up back to the quotes. And all of them have been added back to the quotes. So you click done. And then any quote you add to the quotes or any pair you add to the quotes, they will appear at the down. So you go to the down part of the quotes, you see them here. So these were the pairs that we took out. They have been added back, and you can see them at the down here. All right. So this is how to add a currency pair to your quote, or take out a currency pair from your quotes. Now let's go to the charts. The charts here, we have what we call candlesticks, which is showing in green and white. Now, the green candlesticks actually means it's a bullish candle. That means the trade went up. And then the white candle means the trade came down, bearish. All right. So you can either zoom in to the chart, or you can zoom out. All right. You can zoom out. All right. So you can zoom in and zoom out. With the phone, you use your two taps on the screen, and then you wipe. So when you wipe, it will zoom out and zoom in. All right. So that is how to zoom in and zoom out. And now this chart, you can change the time frame. Currently, this one is on the daily time frame. And when you go to the right top or the left top corner, good, the left top corner, sorry, the left top corner, you see AUD NZD D1. The D1 means daily time frame. So that is D1, that means daily time frame. We'll go to the time frame, how to change the time frame and the rest. And then you can put it on the 1 minute time frame. You can put it on the 5 minute time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, hour, weekly. So all those time frames are available. But currently, this is how you see your chart. Okay. So if you want to check the chart of any currency pair, so let's say Euro USD, you want to see how the chart is, you click on it. You click on Euro USD, it will open like this. So you see trade, chart, and details. So you click on chart, and then it will bring you to the chart for you to see how the chart is. So this is how the chart is on Euro USD. Okay. So currently, as I said, this is just the chart, and the chart represents what is happening in the market, how the market is moving. So if the market is moving up, you see the green candle. Currently, as you can see, the green candle is being formed, which means the market is moving up. And if the market is coming down, you see the white candle. This Twitter feeds, no problem. Let me take out the feed. All right. So this is how the chart look like. Okay, so let's go to trade. Currently, this is just my balance, and then there's no any trade over here. If there is any trade, you will see the trade moving up and down. Oh, this Twitter feeds. Actually, the Twitter feeds are also Forex Twitter feeds. So you may have to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be showing you a lot you need to do to become a successful trader. So you may have to follow some Twitter feeds to know what is happening in the market at which time and the rest. And so all these I will reveal to you very soon. So please subscribe to this channel, because we have a lot coming. So like I was saying, this is the trade column or a portion. And if you have any trade pending or any trade that is in the market, you will see it here. It will be displaying, moving and coming back. You'll be seeing the symbol and its up and down movement over here. But currently, because there's no any trade, there's nothing here. I shall do another video about how to trade, how to enter into the market. So that is how come I haven't touched it. So that is just the trade column. So take note. And then we have the history column. The history column here is when you execute any trade, when you successfully earned profit in a trade, or you lose from the trade, or any trade you execute, at the end results of that trade will appear over here. So if you have lost from the trade, it will appear here. If you have won the trade, it will appear over here. So we'll have the daily at the top there. You see day, week, month, custom. So the daily, when you trade daily, whatever profit or loss you make will appear over here. So you will see the results over here. If you want the weekly, the whole week, your results for the whole week in terms of trading, you click on week, it will display. If you want your results for the whole month, you click on month, it will display. You click on custom, that one you can choose to change the date exactly on which date you want. Maybe you want the results from a particular date to a particular date. So when you click on the custom, you can change the date, and then the results between that period will appear. All right. So that is that. Now, the last one we'll talk about is the settings. Now, with the settings, this is where you have to create accounts. This is where you can modify other settings that is on the MT for which you think maybe you don't want. For instance, when you come to the charts, you see that the candlesticks are in white and green. You can decide to change the colors if you want. Yes, to change the colors is there. So you come to settings, you can change the colors if you want. But let's go to the, okay, let's go to chart. And then also on the chart, like I told you, it is on candlesticks. Okay, so if you want to change it from candlesticks to maybe bar chart or line chart, you can do that. But if you want to change the colors, like I was saying, you come to colors. Colors is over here, and then you see bar up is in green, bar down. Okay, you see we have the bull candle and then the bear candle. So the bull candle is in black, and then the bear candle is in white. So you can choose to change the colors as to whatever color you want. So you can change the colors of the candlesticks here. But if you want to change the pattern, the chart, we have three different charts. We have the bar chart. So let's put it on the bar chart and go back to our charts. Let's go to our chart. You see, this is the bar chart. So this is how the bar chart looks like. So those who wish to use the bar chart, yes, they can use the bar chart. But a lot of people prefer the candlestick. So you go to settings, you go to charts, you can change to candlesticks. Or we have the line chart. So let's go to the line chart and go back and see how things are. So this is the line chart. So those who also want to use line chart, this is it. So this is how the line chart looks like. But like I said, the candlesticks is the most used and very easy to read. So you go back to the candlesticks, you click on it, it will tick. And then once it ticks, you go back. And then you go to chart, you see the candlesticks over here. So the setting part, you can do a whole lot of things, and we'll be talking about them very soon. So that is that for now for the basic features. We will now talk about how to trade in the next video. In the next video, we'll talk about how to trade. But if you are looking for a free Forex signal platform where you receive signals on daily basis, okay, you can check the description. There is a link in the description. That is our Telegram page. Join it and you will receive signals on daily basis. Not just signals, but signals that you will trade and make profit. So you can join our signal platform on the Telegram page, and you can see the link of the Telegram page in the description below. So just go to the description and click on join Telegram page, or just click on the Telegram page and join, and we'll see you there with a lot of signals, and I am sure you will love what you will see over there, because what we do there is totally different from what is being done. I know you might have joined or downloaded a lot of signal platforms or apps and joined some platforms, and you are not making anything. It's rather wiping your accounts. Please, we have all been victims, but thank God we took our time to learn, and now we know the right thing to do. We don't trade like other people do, okay? And sometimes some of the signals will come, you miss them, you don't even know what time a new signal is coming, and it's very frustrating. Sometimes before you go to your Telegram page or you go to your WhatsApp page, a signal has come and you didn't even see it. We don't do that. We have a time that we give the signal. So you know today the trade signals will come exactly at this time. For instance, the time we give our signals are between 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. GMT. So 30 minutes to end the market in a day and 30 minutes into a new trading day. So within this 1 hour, we give signals. So you know that within this 1 hour time, signals will come. So what time that does the market ends in your country? So if you are in the US, if you're in the UK, whichever country you are, 30 minutes to end the trading market and 30 minutes into the new trading market gives us the idea to tell you where the market will be going. So that is the time we give our signals. So you will never miss signals. You will never miss our signals. So between 8:30 p.m. GMT to 9:30 p.m. GMT. So check that time in your local time. and always know that that is the time we give the signals. So you join the Telegram page and you will have the signals coming, and I'm sure just stay there for a week or a month and see what it is. Just assume you are just there and feel what is happening there. And I know you will love it and you will love to stay there forever. See you there. And then my next video will be on how to trade, how to initiate a trade, how to place a trade. That will be the next video. Stay tuned for more. I'll be right back with the next tutorial.